Well, this is my hotel room. It's quite cool. This is the bathroom, but I've had to splash water on my face a good few times. But yeah, why not get some GoPro footage? I had my little stash on this table, man. I had to change it up. Okay, next video soon, mate. Soon, I'm gonna do a long one. Some GoPro footage. Hold on. A little bit more tight. Yeah, that should be a bit more sturdier. But yeah. Who'd have thought I'd get into GoPro? You know what I mean? Why not? Solo travel, who cares? It is what it is. You know what I mean? Just got to try and make the most of it, people. You know? I thought, why not do something like this? Why not try to create something a little bit more different? I've been to the Netherlands so many times, I've lost count. But I always get that exciting feeling like a little kid ready to go to Disneyland. It's a great feeling, mate. But it's times like these where when you love a country so much because of how peaceful it is, you know, you do wonder, like, bro, how did you get your footing on this from such an amazing country? It's that weird anxiety, people. I've been on a wild goose chase all fucking day because of the travel system. Hey, Dutch, I love you lot, yeah, but sometimes your trams with its routes and stuff gets a bit confusing, man. You know, the one route I needed to get back to my hotel from where I was, you like construction work, man. Unfortunate events messed up a whole lot of stuff, man. But other than that, people, the Dutch are just a quality people, man. I mentioned something in my previous video on my phone. I was chatting to a Dutch lady, great lady, man. She must be in her late 40s, amazing lady, just educating me, man. And it's nice for the first time, like, I actually want to talk to people, but it's this place that's making me want to do it. Do you know what I mean? In other places like London and whatnot, you don't usually get it per se. I've left my camera stuff and whatnot back at the hotel. I'm just taking the GoPro out. Do you know what I mean? Give the GoPro some love, because this was the whole purpose of it, of me getting the GoPro. I want to do more videos like this. I just want to share my documentation of my travels, my life, my story. It'd be quite cool if one day someone made a movie about it. Yeah, I should be back at the hotel resting up, man, preparing for the next day, but I kind of feel a bit cheated with my hours, man. They have some late ass check-ins, mate, and it's no good. Go in there, the fucking room's full of baggages and stuff. It's like, come on, man, you gotta have the early check-ins, mate. They're so quick to kick people out though in the morning, like 11, 10 and shit, but madness. But yeah, highlights of today. Went into the coffee shop, De Kroon. Great coffee shop, comfy. Their selection of music is questionable. I felt like I was in a fucking Blade movie or a computer game. I'll probably attach the video to this video so you people understand. But it was relaxing. Tried a gelato for the first time. Gelato is very relaxing. I understand why gelato gets the credit that it gets, because gelato is that American Cali strain but I gotta give it its credit, mate. It's a nice high, mate. It's a fucking nice high. Well, it's got super silver haze, that's to uplift the mood. And obviously I got some from my guy when I come back to London, my guy Steve-O, because he ain't tried half of this stuff over here, man. I'm gonna try to do some new stuff. Fuck it, you only live once, mate. You only live once. So why not? So people, I shall report back in a bit when I get into damn square. Yes, people, kind of, I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie, man. I got a fat fucking migraine. But yeah. So, you know what? I actually want to get into this, man. There's a police station over there. I actually want to get into this sort of thing, man. You know what I mean? Now, down there's a bit of temptation, but we can't film that, otherwise I end up getting nicked. But yeah, as you know, hold up. Boom, 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 boom. Some corny old school song, mate. But you people love it. So yeah, if I come across like I'm waffling, it's because I'm just tired, man. Tired. I ain't even smoked nothing. You know what I mean? I had some gelato earlier. Really good, mate. Really good. Gelato did the job. Gelato has to be what? Top 3. New York D's all day, mate, but gelato top 3, mate. Top 3. Can't go wrong with that. Gelato has like a long ass high. It's smooth. It's not too strong. It's just the right mixture. Can't fault that, man. Can't fault it. What's that? Hearing things. So yeah. Always must watch out for these bikes, cars, shit. Right, might need to go into another coffee shop, get a few things, build it up. So yeah, what's that? Roll on the nightlife, people. Monday night. Mondag. Right, part 2 coming up. Howdy. This is like an indica joint. I can't make out what it is, but I needed the container anyway. Man, I tell you, there's a lot of beggars, bruv, but they're not in the city centre, they're like outskirts. by all means, be careful, man. You know what I mean? You always gotta have your little street smart hidden somewhere. Luckily for my size, it's working more as a deterrent. But I'm on the prowl to see if there's a shop open. Doubt it. Fucking late out here, mate. It's late. But I'm gonna use all this GoPro footage as a memorabilia. I like looking back at my stuff, and especially when I'm high, mate. It's a good flashback. Fucking hell, I keep falling asleep on these trams, man. I need to stop doing that. Got my diesel, mate, so I'm gonna sort my diesel out when I get in. But I'm just looking to see what shop is left open. It's probably none, man. We have to use a vending machine or something. I actually want to apply for a job there, you know. Why not? See what shops are open, man. See, I went greenhouse. Oh man, the stuff that I haven't tried, they sold out, man. They had Panama Kush. Now I've tried Panama Kush. It's not bad, it's quite decent. That's pretty. Weird. Not bad, innit? Not bad. Right, let's see if they're still open. This place. Damn it, it's closed. It was a fair shot, mate, you know what I mean? It's late as fuck. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like for me, right? If I was here and had all the people that I knew here. Like all the people that I know in London. If they were all over here. You know what, I'm an indica guy through and through, but I must say, sativa does do the job, mate. It does do the job. I can't wait to build up that big fucking diesel, mate. Ooh, man. Do you know what I must say, man? Even the red light district today was a bit whack, you know. I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't impressive like it's been impressive previously. Do you know what I mean? Tomorrow, I'm going to Rotterdam, mate. Off to Rotterdam. I'm going to Rotterdam, bruv. Oh, I love that scenery of Rotterdam. So yeah, I thought, why not? Do you know what? I would use my phone. But what's the point? Do you know what I mean? Might as well use this. But the phone is so much more convenient. I'm probably, when am I going to Harlem? I don't know. But after I finish the year, mate, yeah, mate, somehow gonna get it today. Not today, but this week. probably be later on in the week. Do you know what I mean? It's nice though, because I feel like my muscles make them react a little bit more crazier. Like they bang on the windows a lot more harder. Like I had these 2 tool holders, yeah. They all like, come. Like both. I was thinking, wow, man. Then I had one skinny, short, blonde chick doing the Arnold Schwarzenegger poses. It was cute, mate. It was cute. That's where I'm staying at. Staying there, mate. I've been in this hotel a bunch of times, man. Used to be called Westside Inn. Never used to have all this. So people, I think that's me. I'm gonna do more video like this tomorrow at midday, man. I just thought I needed to get some sort of content there. It's the first day, bruv. And I feel like it's been a bit of a crazy one. One love, peace, love and harmony as always.